Hi, my name is Michael Keeling. I'm a senior staff software engineer with Kiavi. We're a fintech based out of Pittsburgh and San Francisco in the US. My favorite thing, I think, about the Software Architecture Summit this year is getting to see everybody in person. It really is. So we're in the middle of a workshop right now, the first time running a face-to-face workshop with everyone, and it's so amazing seeing everyone work together in small groups and getting to ask and answer questions directly, and I didn't realize how much I missed that. So I usually use the ones that are in our observability platform. So really it's focused on the runtime quality attributes. So availability metrics, performance, looking at scale. Performance is a big one for us recently. Seeing what our throughput and load is on our different web services that we have. It's kind of a sad answer, I guess. There's a lot of metrics that I wish we would use more, having to do with the design time measures. So questions that I'm curious about are, how well is the software serving the team? How easily are changes? How quickly are we able to introduce meaningful changes to the architecture? And those are much more difficult to measure, which I guess is kind of the opposite question that you asked. But let's see, I'll take, so in the workshop that we're doing right now at the conference, something that's come up a few times that I think is kind of generic advice, but also important, is there's really not a one-size-fits-all answer to design problems. I don't know, most people know this, microservices is not the way, monolith is not the way. Sometimes it's, the solution that works great on one team may not be the right fit in your context. And figuring that out is hard, and it's okay that it's hard, because yeah, I don't know, software design is challenging, but if we work together, we can achieve really awesome things. Yes, so the Software Architecture Metrics book was a really cool experience. Let's see, I had the privilege of having the last chapter in the book, so I kind of got to offer a perspective that, I don't know, summarized in a way everything that led up to that moment. And I chose to focus on things that I find most interesting, which is design methods. So my chapter was on the goal question metric approach and kind of a workshop to help you figure out what metrics you actually might want to use, which I think is a fantastic complement to the rest of the book, which are very concrete case studies and specific metrics that other teams have found successful. I guess my chapter was all about, now that you know all this, deciding what to do next with it.